Just so you know, I originally filmed this video back in 2020, so some of this information may have changed or be a little bit outdated. Let's go ahead and get after it. Working on adding to my comms, so I went ahead and did a little search on Amazon and got this Uniden Pro 505XL. One of the reasons I liked it was, one, 33 bucks, kind of hard to beat, and they had a package deal with the adapter and antenna and everything for like 66 bucks, something like that. But one feature I did like is it has a PA output, so I went 11 bucks, got a all-weather PA speaker, and then I've got a 2018 F150 which has an all aluminum body. So I was like, well, I've got a magnetic antenna, but I also don't want to go drilling holes in my truck for mounts or doing some. There's a lot of other options out there, but I saw this one I liked, and it's pretty much the same color as my truck. But what it does is this mount, you take off your third brake light on the back of the cab and mount this behind it. So now you've got a base plate, and you can put multiple antennas on it. I've got another. I've got a Melon radio that's in a 30 cal can. It's a pretty cool setup. But I can attach that antenna as well, so I could run both of those if I wanted to. But I'm going to install this and see how it goes. All right, what we're going to do first, after reading the instructions, is remove the third brake light here. And it looks like it calls for a 9/32 socket, so that's what we're going to use to remove it. Now that we've got it unscrewed, is to disconnect these bulbs. Now there's different instructions if you have LEDs versus the halogens, so just be mindful of that. All right, now reattach that and align the toggle bolts so that the bolt holes will line up for the remount. Tighten that up a little bit more. And just screw everything back into place, and now you've got a magnetic plate to mount your antennas on. Alright, if you liked that video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and also share it. And if you got some value out of it, please subscribe. We're going to be putting out more content as we move along. And comments are always appreciated, and I look forward to seeing everybody in the next video. Thanks.